Hi there guys, and today I've got an unboxing of the Apple MagSafe Charger. Now admittedly I am quite a late adopter to this product. I haven't really used one before, and I've just got a few devices here: iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max and AirPods Pro, just to test this out and show you how it works whilst also unboxing the product. So yeah, let's unbox it. So on the front, we've just presented with this picture of the MagSafe Charger itself. Just sort of demonstrates how you use it. So the MagSafe and the cable, and then into the wall adapter, which shows 20 watts. So it does recommend a 20 watt wall plug for that one, USB-C. Compatible with MagSafe for iPhone with the latest version of iOS. So there's a handy little pull tab here that you can just undo. Designed by Apple in California. And then it pulls out like so. So in here we have the actual MagSafe charger itself. There we go. And then that comes with its own cable, which it seems to be, yeah, so that's attached there, that does not come off. And then it's attached to a USB-C. There we go. So that is essentially what is in the box. In here there may be also, yeah, let's have a look. So in the box we also have some warranty information, some regulatory compliance information, and also some safety and handling information. So the best thing about MagSafe with the iPhones, the 12 and 13, these actually have MagSafe, which means inside of the device there is actually a magnetic circle. So when you're charging your phone, it will actually connect magnetically. So I'm just going to demonstrate that now. So it snaps into place and it stays there, it doesn't just come off, which is really good. And there again with the 13. Just magnetic. So yeah, it works really well with that, and it's designed to work together, which is why I thought I'd invest in it. Now this can also charge the AirPods, so I believe that would just be like that and it would charge that way. So I'm just going to test this now by plugging this into my MacBook. I'll start by the AirPods. Yeah, and that's charging. You can see that the indicator there is indicating that the AirPods are charging. So that's really handy to just have sort of on the bedside table perhaps, and then just pop this on and then it will start charging. So that's really good. And then for the phone, let me just demonstrate that. So if that pops on the back of the phone there, yeah, and that's going to tell me that it's charging wirelessly. So that's also good to indicate that that is happening. And then when you're using the phone, you can actually hold it and text and type and everything like that with it sort of connected to the back as well at the same time, which is a bit different to other wireless chargers that aren't magnetic. So if you pick that up, it might fall off because other ones aren't magnetic. So that is a good sort of bonus with this one. So a really good statistic I've just read up on with this is that if it is plugged into a 20 watt adapter, you can charge an iPhone to 50% in about 50 minutes to an hour. So that is really good for the sort of time it takes. You can just plonk it down and then it'll charge really fast, which is good. So I bought this from Amazon for £29.99. I believe on the Apple website it's around £39.99. So it was around £10 cheaper on Amazon. Just to demonstrate as well, I do have an official case. So this is the Apple Midnight silicone case for the 13 Pro Max, and as you can see in here it has the sort of MagSafe circle because it is compatible, and I think a lot of cases are sort of compatible with this feature. It's always worth checking first, but I do know that this official iPhone 1 is compatible. So if I pop this on and just demonstrate that. So that just slots on like that. And then again, if I put this charger there, yeah, that's charging. and it also is magnetically connected with the case on as well. So that's always important to know that it works with the case also. So yeah, that was a really quick sort of unboxing of the MagSafe charger, and just a quick look at it really, just to see how it works. There are some reports that the charger sort of leaves a magnetic circle around the actual phone or the case just from the magnet itself. I mean, you can already see kind of like a little circle there. So whether that sort of stays there once rubbed off after a while, we will have to see. I mean, so far that doesn't seem to be rubbing off that well. Let's have a look. There might be a little circle on it. It's not too bad, but that's one to keep an eye on just to see how that holds up. But yeah, that was everything for this video. Just a quick unboxing of the product just to see how it works and how it charges. So if you've liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thank you for watching.